Hey everybody, so I was playing Sweet XP again, so I just want to see how many times I've cleared this dang level. I've cleared it like, let's see, weekend stage, 12 times. That's a lot. That's like 12 times 3.5, and some of them were 4 and some of them were extra 100k. So we got our super rare, and we're gonna true form them. Hey, you gotta look at this, watch this. Watch this, Hawk. Boom. You're not watching this. Oh my gosh, there's a little octopus on the back.
He looks dumb.
Thanks. I have flipping octopus cat. He stops wave attacks. What the heck? Okay, who has an enemy? Which enemy has a shockwave? I don't have any. Can I play Corey? Corey, Volcanus Volcano. Oh no, it's 200 energy. I don't think I have enough. Shoot. Shoot. Dang it. Who else has a shockwave? I can't think of anything right now. But, okay, I'll just show him off in challenge battle like I usually do. Maybe I'll wait for a little bit. Wait for it to come on. So he's gonna take everyone out. I shall use all my true formers. So all cats with true form.
Dang.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna get Parascat's true form soon. 6, 7, 8,
I missed one.
and 9. So Octopus cat only costs 720.
You have any more?
No. I have no more.
Yeah, you do.
No, who?
Yeah, you do.
No one.
Skeleton.
I don't even have bought him yet.
Hey, you can get her to true form.
Excuse me. So I'm just gonna use all my. I didn't get a bunch of cat fruit back because I just lost all of it. So grow. Boom. Doggery cat fruit. Do I have? No, I don't. So let's just see here. Pretty cool for super rare trick form. I'll pause till I get to flame, till I get enough energy to play flame calling draw. Yeah. So let's just see here. Octopus cat. I think he does the same thing. He weakens floaters.
I hate everything
Holy.
and everyone and everything and everyone. Everything
Okay.
and everyone.
Oh my gosh! Look at his attack animation. Watch this. Watch this. Look at that little octopus on the back. Watch his attack animation. What the heck? So he's gonna be good for perfect cyclone. I'll be able to beat that finally. Shoot! I don't think I have enough. I mean, Gunder. I'll go Yabe. Don't bring our assassin. Oh, yes. No! Shoot! They have a lot of HP, though. We can stall them for a bit. Falcon Cat. There we go. He does have a lot of HP, though. Okay. I'm just gonna let Akko get Yabe, kill them. Boom, boom. 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 This was supposed to be about Octopus Cat, not any of you guys. Just kill them. Please. I just want to see Octopus Cat. Look at that guy. Oh my gosh.
Nobody likes Gunter.
I love this guy. Look at that. Octopus Cat, man. He's gonna destroy he's gonna completely destroy Gross Cat Awakens. Completely stop shockwaves. So I'm gonna wait until I get enough energy, maybe. Depends, really. Boom. I love Octopus Cat already.
Oh, this is terrifying.
What? Gee, I don't want to ask.
You.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm still a bit sick, so sorry about all the sniffling. They're so resistant to floating, so they'll be good for floating stages and shockwave stages. So Gross Cat, when Festival Gross comes out, hopefully I'll play it. If I don't post anything, it means I've lost. I love Octopus Cat. Boom. Okay, so he's pretty cool. I'll say that. Ah. Play some Outbreaks. Try to get. I really want to play Flame Calidra. Where is the zombie outbreak? Vegas. Okay. I guess I won't play Flame Calidra. I'll play it another day. What you laughing about? Actually, you know what? Ooh, this is like cat food. I'll just play with Octopus Cat again. I'm bored. I got 2 true forms today. Octopus Cat and that guy. Octopus Cat's awesome. Turn that down, Hawk. He's watching some random video like usual. Dang, man, these Octopus Cats are for the win. Slap. Just completely slaps. Slap. He's level 30, so he has pretty good health, damage, stamina. I don't know. I'll try to get away to play Flame Calidra.
Yes.
So I'll be right back until I can play Flame Calidra. Hey guys, so I'm sorry about this, but I decided not to play Flame Calidra. I'll do a video better on him later. I'd rather grind and get a million XP. So anyways guys, thank you for watching this video, and have a great rest of your day.